All I wanna do is bring you glory and honor. It's all for you, none of me. It's more of you, less of me. Oh.
So hello darlings and welcome back. My name is DarlingrAnita and I talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. If you do love lifestyle, travel, and fashion videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will never miss a video. Well honey, I am on my way to the gym, honey, and it is pouring down rain out here because that lets you know I am determined. I am determined to get this unwanted weight off because this girl got so much she got to do and I need to get back to Anita. Yes, Anita. I got to get back to the snatched Anita. I got my hat on my head. I'm trying to find me a pocket space closer because guess what? I left my umbrella at the house trying to run to get here at the gym. But y'all, let me show you this outfit. This outfit right here is this outfit. I got this from Ross for Less, and I promise you, don't y'all knock Ross for less. They have the gear you need to get your body snatched and fit for 2024. This is not sponsored, honey. I'm just trying to tell you what I find that is a good deal. You don't necessarily have to go spend all this money to get you some bottoms and some tops. I promise you, Ross for Less got everything that you need, and I am loving these pants because they fit me right, especially me with this big butt. This is a size large and it is perfect for me. But y'all, let me get into this gym because I'm trying to figure out how am I gonna do this because it's raining. I got a hat on my head, I put this over my head, I got my coat, and I got my bag. So I will see you guys in the gym. So you feel it here?
Oh, I'm feeling here too.
Bobby. The squats ain't gonna make it harder. It's just if you just
you hard is just hard, but you can still have very much a lot of agility and still do a lot of squats at the same time.
Okay.
So I would say it really just depends on the person, but I ain't gonna say it's hard. It's about hard ain't like hard, right?
Like a football player.
Yeah, he better do a class because he was counting them little steppers.
He probably couldn't do it in the gym.
Like this one?
Right?
Anything. So let's go over everything. So this is the fried chicken oysters. So they look like chicken. Yes, let me taste it real quick. Crunchy like chicken. These are fire. Okay. I'm gonna make my plate, honey. And here goes the broccoli. You guys, I want to cut that because I love this broccoli. I love it. Okay, let me get the stems and honey. They taste so good. And your whatever's, I'm sorry. So what I was trying to do, I know when you go to a Chinese store, restaurant, you get the garlic broccoli. That's what I was trying to make, honey. I think I did a good job. And then of course, I got some potatoes. Hot. But that's okay. Everything is scrumptious. So I'm about to fix my plate so I can eat. And I'll see you on the next video.